So I got a couple of big bowls here. I started to turn this one. Loud birds today. So I pulled these two bowls off the bowl wall. I started working on this one and I realized, oh wait, it's got a big check in it right here. I went to work on this one next and this one's got a check in it too. So you know what that means? Perfect candidates for bowl surgery. Well, I thought I was recording, I guess I wasn't. I cut these two bowls blanks in half in order to glue in some wood. I got a piece of walnut here. I think I'm going to glue in here. I think the walnut contrasts nice with this light colored wood. Add some visual interest. Well, I quite like how these turned out. This wood on its own is not very pretty, admittedly, but once you put that walnut in there, it really adds character and a lot of pizzazz. And this pattern was a happy accident. As I was turning this, it got really thin and it started to vibrate pretty bad. When I touched it with the tool, it just went brrrr. But the tool left this pattern all the way around. And it's very symmetrical and even, and I thought that looks pretty cool. That's it for this video, but I have several more of these already on the go, so you can expect that video soon. Hopefully you're enjoying these bowl surgeries, because as I said, I have a few more to come. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and hopefully we'll see you next time in Kami's Garage.